Welcome to Thenas Channel. This is Meadow House, a beautifully designed home by Waechter Architecture, located in Eugene, United States. Situated in the College Hill district, this 2,000 square foot residence blends modern minimalism with its natural surroundings. Inspired by the nearby Madison Meadow, the house is carefully positioned to capture stunning views while maintaining privacy. The architecture features clean lines, open spaces, and floor-to-ceiling windows, allowing natural light to flood the interiors. A warm, earthy material palette enhances the home's cozy yet sophisticated atmosphere. The thoughtful layout maximizes functionality, offering a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor living spaces. Every detail in Meadow House reflects a balance between contemporary aesthetics and nature-inspired tranquility, creating a home that feels both elegant and inviting. Whether you appreciate minimalist architecture or dream of a serene modern retreat, this house is truly a masterpiece. The entrance features a cantilevered roof with metal cladding, creating a bold yet functional gateway. A perforated gate ensures security while maintaining an open, airy feel. The courtyard garden integrates nature with architecture, enclosed by floor-to-ceiling glazing and corrugated metal cladding, allowing light, ventilation, and visual continuity between indoor and outdoor spaces. The living room embraces an open-concept design with floor-to-ceiling wooden-framed glass panels, maximizing natural light and courtyard views. The warm hardwood flooring, minimalist furnishings, and strategic clear-story windows enhance spatial flow and ventilation. A neutral color palette and curated artwork complement the home's modern aesthetic, fostering comfort and connection with nature. The kitchen features a U-shaped layout with warm wood cabinetry, black quartz countertops, and open shelving. A central window enhances natural light, framed by textured white tile walls. The bathroom features floor-to-ceiling white tiles, a built-in bathtub, and a floating vanity with a marble countertop. A frosted window ensures privacy and natural light. Explore the unique charm of each corner of the house through the following photos.